bucket.
When a motor's warm and she's purring sweet.
Do the bucket, Nico.
But it let me warm.
Tell him to stop going. Can he just stop and do the bucket?
She'll crowd your clothes, spin your wheels, then you're gonna know how it feels to spin out. Spin out. Better watch those curves. Never let her steer. If she can shake your nerves, boy, she can strip your gears. She'll get your heart going fast, then she'll let you run out of gas. So spin out.
Now you're training in your new employee, huh? Are you training your new employee?
The road to love is full of danger signs.
Are you gonna go work for Bucky now?
Across those double lines, don't you know she's out to prove she can really score. Never saw part smooth like that before. To flag you down, that's a goal. Scoot before you lose control. Let's spin out. Spin out.